Welcome back to the Slip Sailin channel. As we started spending more time enjoying the top deck of Slip Sailin, we quickly realized the original ladder was becoming more than just an inconvenience. It was a safety hazard. Several of our friends naturally tried to walk down it backwards like a regular staircase. Thankfully, nobody got hurt, but it was obvious we needed to come up with a better solution. I had seen pictures online of other yacht home owners who had built beautiful custom staircases to replace the ladder. They looked amazing. But let's just say my skills aren't quite at that level. There was another challenge too. The engine room is directly beneath the stairs, so whatever we installed had to be easy to move whenever we needed access for maintenance. It also had to be strong enough for everyday use, and durable enough to survive the salt air, sun, and weather. That started a 6-month search. I spent countless hours looking online, trying to find something that would check every box. Then I finally found it, an above-ground pool staircase. It may sound a little unconventional, but after looking at the design, I realized it was almost perfect for what we needed. It's made from durable resin, so it won't rot or rust in the marine environment. It has sturdy handrails, supports up to 400 pounds, and best of all, it could be modified to fit the boat. To secure it, I drilled a hole through one of the attachment arms. Unfortunately, the other arm did not line up as the steps are wider than the ladder, but it seems to be holding just fine. We then removed the top handrail and slid the support down through the hole. That simple modification keeps the stairs securely in place while still allowing me to remove the support in just a few minutes whenever we need to open the engine compartment. It's worked out even better than I hoped. The only downside is that the hollow steps collect water over time. About once a year, we take them apart to drain and clean them, along with cleaning underneath the staircase. It's a small amount of maintenance for a huge improvement in safety and convenience. If you're restoring one of these Chris Craft yacht homes and have been looking for a better alternative to the factory ladder, I'll leave a link to the pool steps we used in the video description and comments. Sometimes the best solution isn't something custom built. It's finding the right product and making it work for your boat. As always, if you enjoy classic boats, restoration projects, and following the journey of one of the last Chris Craft yacht homes ever built, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come along for the ride. We'll see you in the next episode.